If you are driving a Jeep Grand Cherokee and want to clearly understand how to turn the parking brake on and off, this simple guide will help you do it correctly and safely. The process is straightforward, but following the right steps is important to avoid any mistakes. Before you begin, always make sure your vehicle is completely stationary. The car should not be moving at all, whether you are parked on a flat surface or on an incline. It is also a good habit to keep your foot firmly pressed on the brake pedal before using the parking brake, as this adds an extra layer of safety and ensures the vehicle remains stable while you operate the system. To turn on the parking brake in a Jeep Grand Cherokee, first locate the parking brake control. In most models, this is an electronic switch positioned near the center console or lower dashboard area. The switch is usually marked with a P symbol, which represents the parking brake and may include a label such as pull on. Once you have located it, keep your foot pressed down on the brake pedal. Then, using your fingers, gently pull the switch upward. As soon as you pull the switch, the electronic parking brake will engage. You do not need to apply excessive force. A smooth pull is enough to activate it. After engaging the parking brake, it is important to confirm that it is actually on. You can do this by checking your vehicle's instrument cluster or dashboard display. You will see a parking brake indicator light turn on, usually showing a P symbol or a brake warning icon. This light is a clear indication that the parking brake has been successfully activated. In some cases, you may also notice a message on the display confirming that the parking brake is engaged. Always take a second to verify this, especially if you are parking on a slope, as it ensures your vehicle will not roll. Now, to turn off the parking brake, you should again begin by ensuring that your vehicle is not moving. Keep your foot firmly pressed on the brake pedal, as this step is necessary for proper disengagement. Locate the same parking brake switch that you used earlier. This time, instead of pulling it, you will push the switch downward. When you push the switch, the system will release the parking brake electronically. The action is quick and smooth, and you should feel or hear a slight response indicating that the brake has been disengaged. Once the parking brake is released, you should again check the instrument cluster to confirm. The parking brake indicator light that was previously on will now turn off. This is your confirmation that the parking brake is no longer active. If the light remains on, double check that your foot is fully pressing the brake pedal and try pushing the switch again. Ensuring the brake is fully disengaged is important before you start driving. In simple terms, the process is easy to remember. Pull the switch to turn the parking brake on and push the switch to turn it off, always while keeping your foot on the brake pedal. This system is designed to be user-friendly and reliable, making it easier than traditional manual parking brakes. It is commonly found in modern Jeep Grand Cherokee models equipped with an electronic parking brake system. Using the parking brake correctly not only helps keep your vehicle secure when parked, but also reduces strain on the transmission, especially when parking on inclines. Make it a regular habit to engage it whenever you park your vehicle. If you ever feel unsure or notice anything unusual, you can always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for model-specific instructions and additional safety details. Following these steps will ensure you use the parking brake in your Jeep Grand Cherokee safely and confidently every time.